and it's starting to harden up, and this camera doesn't do close-ups well, so just trying to show you guys. You can see the stuff, the pearl. It's kind of cool. Yeah, so anyway, I'll put out another video getting these guys out of the mold, but I wanted to do this and test these out, and let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for coming by, guys. Good morning, all. So yeah, I know my table's trashed and whatever, but we're here for the unveiling. So I did this one halfway, and on the bottom, I know I got an air bubble in it, but in the bottom I mixed pearl instead of blue. So I'm on. Ooh, it's still a little. So halfway through, I don't know if you can see it, yeah. So that one came out like that, which is pretty nice. It's all sunk in and pearl background. Let's try the big guy here. That one's just the island, but I tried to keep it in the middle, so. Oh yeah. There we go. Nice and sunk. Sweet. Alright, anybody who wants coasters, let me know. Thanks for coming by, guys. I'm going to make a bunch of new stuff. Yeah. Have a good one.